Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 6 of the course Developing Soft Skills and Personality. So viewers, I have provided you the answers of week assignment number 1 to week assignment number 5 and you can see the scores. We have scored 95, 100, 95 and 99. Answers of week 5 is already uploaded. You can check it on the channel. So in this video we will solve week assignment number 6. Okay, so this week consists of in total of 25 number of questions and we will start it from the question number 1. So question number 1 to 10 are multiple select questions where more than one answers are correct. It has partial marking and hence carefully select the answer choices. So question number 1 is choose the options that are non-verbal representations of dominance and authority. Okay, options are occupying maximum space in a situation, wearing colorful footwear, putting on beautiful dresses on wedding for wedding ceremonies, sitting cross-legged on a sofa, reading a book while traveling, sitting higher than the other person while talking to them. So the answer for question number 1 will be option number 1 and option number 4. Okay, occupying maximum space in a situation and sitting cross-legged on a sofa. Question number 2 is from the given situations, choose the options that showcase the barriers to information flow in an organization. So options are students of a particular educational institution receive dozens of emails and messages every day, which creates an information overload. Amidst this situation, many students ignore a message regarding a significant event at the institution. Option number B is in a tech company and ad companion is to be launched. Several departments are involved in this companion, such as the sales department, the design department, the transportation department, and the public relations department. However, these departments work in isolation and do not share any information with each other due to malice. Option number 3 is a school has set up a feedback post box outside each department. This has been done so that students can directly post their complaints and suggestions to specific intended departments. A copy of each piece of feedback is also made available to the principal directly, who will examine the unaddressed feedback. Option number D is in order to communicate with the team leader, the team at a soap company needs to go through a lot of paperwork and administrative hierarchy. Reaching out to the team leader directly is made impossible by not sharing their contact details and setting up their office in a different city. Option number E is Sushma is an entrepreneur and has recently set up a small business. All the departments required to work with each other consistently are placed in proximity. The office space is designed keeping in mind the mobility and easy access of the employees to the two other departments. And the last option is at a vehicle service station set up by a recent business graduate. Employees are regularly provided with opportunities to socialize with each other and build friendship and trust among themselves. So the answer for question number 2 will be option number A, students of a particular educational institution. Option number B, that is in a tech company ad and companion is to be launched. And option number D, that is in order to communicate with the team leader. Okay, I am repeating. Question number 2, option number A, B and D will be the correct answer. Okay. Moving to the next question. Question number 3 is which of the following situations are likely to lead to instances of communication barrier? Option A is Rita has very low self-esteem. Thus, she does not speak up about her doubts or opinions during conversations. Option B is during a team meeting, Rahat listens carefully to what the members say. In case of any doubts, he asks questions and does not end the meeting unless all the points have been clarified for everyone. Option C is Sumit uses new age slang while speaking to his elderly grandparents who have no contact with anyone who speaks that slang. Option number D is all through Talat's life, he has been told that tribal people are violent and uneducated. He recently joined a firm run by an individual of tribal origins. Option number E is Yasmin is a very hasty person. Whenever she talks to people, she does not pay attention to them and remains busy with her phone. And option number E is when spending time with her family, Sobia ignores her phone and listens carefully to them. She attentively remains in the situation without being distracted by her call phone's notification. So the correct answers for question number third will be option number A. Rita has very low self-esteem. Option number C. Sumit uses new age slang. Option number D. Although Talat's life. And option number E. Okay, Yasmin is a very hasty person. For question number third, option number 1, option number 3, option number 4 and option number 5 are the correct answers. Okay. Question number 4 is from the following instances choose the ones that represent effective non-verbal communication. Okay. Option A is during a business negotiation, Rahul maintains a relaxed, open posture with uncrossed arms and legs and occasionally smiles and nods. Option B is while addressing her team, Anjali makes eye contact with her team members while speaking and uses easily understandable statements. Okay. Option C is when a customer complains to a store manager about expired items, he ignores the customer, does not pay attention to their complaint, and leaves the room in the middle of the conversation. Option number 4 is Anwar's family members tell him to practice a slumped posture to look active. Option number E is Rahat is given a separate office space for his team. He assigns everyone an equal office space and makes the sitting comfortable. Option number F is Suresh is an entrepreneur. Every morning when he goes to his office, he makes sure to greet everyone with a smile and a warm handshake. Okay. So the correct answers for question number 4 will be option number A during a business negotiation, option number B while addressing her team, and option number F. Okay, that is last one. Suresh is an entrepreneur. For question number 4, option number 1, option number 2, and the last option, that is option number 6, will be the correct answer. Okay. Question number 5 is select the options that describe the significance of communication. Option A is the success of any professional depends on their ability to communicate. Option B is communication failures. Communication failures can lead to financial setbacks in professional settings. Option C is people will give their best only if the communicated message is clear to them. Option D is our stresses and worries can be lessened by communicating them about them. And option E is communication can help us generate gossip and rumors. And option F is communication has no significance in human relationships. So the correct answers for question number 5 will be option number A, B, C and D. Okay, for question number 5, option number A, option number B, option number C and option number D are the correct answers. Okay. Question number 6 is concerning this week's lectures. Which of the following options is correct for the team barriers? Option A is barriers are things that act as obstacles to effective communication. Barriers are the different ways a person tries to talk to another person effectively. Option number C is barriers are responsible for impeding a free flow of ideas. Option D is barriers prevent active listening. Option E is barriers prevent a careful response. Option F is barriers are always physical in nature. So the answer will be option number B, option number C, and option number F. Sorry, E. Option number E. Okay. For question number 6, option number B, option number C, and option number E are the correct answers. Barriers are the different ways a person tries to talk to another person effectively. Barriers are responsible for impeding a free flow of ideas, and barriers prevent a careful response. Okay. Question number 7 is personality barriers are psychological in nature and depend on a person's perspective towards the world and life. What contributes to the development of one's perspective? Options are religious beliefs, political beliefs, ideas and values, driving skills, cultural background, interpersonal experiences. So the answers will be option number A, that is religious beliefs, option number B, that is political beliefs, option number C, that is ideas and values, option number E, that is cultural cultural background, and option number F, that is interpersonal experiences. So for question number 7, except option number D, that is driving skills, all options are the correct answers. Okay, except option number D, all options are the correct ones. Okay. Question number 8 is Sujata bought a smartphone for a mother who had not used a phone till then. Her mother refuses to accept the present, saying that she cannot handle the phone and may lose or damage it. Which of the following strategies will help Sujata, her mother, to overcome his fear? Options are: option A is Sujata starts watching movies on her phone with her mother whenever possible. Sujata tells her mother the things she would be able to do with the smartphone. Option C is every evening Sujata teaches her mother how to use the phone for a few minutes. Option D is Sujata understands that it is impossible to change elderly people. Option number E is Sujata shouts at her mother and demands that she use the phone immediately. And option number F, Sujata forces her mother to carry the phone with her so that her friends think highly of her mother. So the correct answers for question number 8 will be option number A, option number B, option number C. Okay. Sujata starts watching movies on her phone with her mother whenever possible. Sujata tells her mother the things she would be able to do with the smartphone. Option number C, that is every evening Sujata teaches her mother how to use the phone for a few minutes. Question number 9 is Sumit was recently transferred a remote village in Rajasthan as a teacher. This village was culturally and linguistically different from Sumit's home city. This created several language barriers in Sumit's everyday life and teaching practice. Identify how he can overcome those barriers. So options are: he should always clarify the context when using words with multiple meanings. He should force everyone in the village to learn the languages he speaks. Option C is he should not care about the differences in the culture. Option number D is he should seek the help of a native whenever required. Option number D is Option number E is he should make use of positive non-verbal gestures. Option number F is he should leave his job and be transferred to a city. And option number F is he should try hard to change the culture and language of the village. So the correct answers for question number 9 will be option number A, option number D, and option number E. Okay, he should always clarify the context when using words with multiple meanings. He should seek the help of a native whenever required. He should make use of positive non-verbal gestures. Okay. For question number 9, option number A, option number D, option number E are the correct answers. Okay. Question number 10 is a professor understands that his students are not enjoying her lecture even though nobody verbally expresses it. What non-verbal signs did the professor infer the information from? So options are, option A is the students are sitting with their faces resting on their hands. Option B is the students have grumpy expressions on their faces and are feeding with feeding with their things. Option C is the students are attentively listening to her. Option D is when she is asked questions, the students respond promptly. Option number E is the students are actively taking notes, and option number F is the students are leaning forward towards the professor as she speaks. So the correct one for question number 10 will be option number A. Students are sitting with their faces resting on their hand, and option number B, that is the students have grumpy expressions on their faces and are feeding with their thing. So for question number 10, option number A and option number B will be the correct answers. From here we just have to select only one options. Okay, so question number 11 is which of the following statements presents a possibility of creating a communication barrier? Option A is I am going to Ashoka Park at 5 p.m. Option number B is you should start working at 2 a.m. sharp. Option number C is look at that bird there. Option number D is Persepolis is my favorite graphic novel. Option number E is my name is Rabia Nabi, and option number F is Fatima is my youngest niece. So the answer for question number 11 will be option number B, that is you should start working at 2 a.m. sharp. Okay. So viewers, if you scored good marks in the assignments with the help of my video, then please do like the video and share the video with the needy ones. Okay. So question number 12 is complete the following quote by Robert Frost. We just have to fill the blanks with the given options. Okay, so statement is half the world is filled with people who have something to say and dash, and the other half of the people who have nothing to say and dash. Options are keeping on saying it, to do say it, can say it and cannot say it, are able to say it and do not say anything, say it all and remain silent, cannot say it and keep on saying it, cannot say it and still says something. So the correct answer for question number 12 will be option number 5. Okay, half the world is filled with people who have something to say and cannot say it, and the other half of the people who have nothing to say and keep on saying it. Okay, for question number 12 option number 5 will be the correct answers. Question number 13 is Ritviz teaches children different shapes by displaying photographs of the shapes in a classroom. For this situation, choose the correct options. Option A is Ritviz is the receiver and photographs are the channel and the children are the feedback. Option number B is Ritwik is the feedback, the photographs are the channel and the children are the receiver. Ritwik is the sender, the photographs are the channel and the children are the receivers. The photographs are the senders, Ritwik is the medium and the children are the receivers. Ritwik is the sender, the photographs are the feedback and the children are the receivers. The children are the senders, the photographs are the feedback and Ritviz is the receiver. So the correct one for question number 13 will be option number C, that is Ritviz is the sender, the photographs are the channel and the children are the receiver. Okay. Question number 14 is what is important for the occurrence of effective communication from the following options. Option A is that the sender and the receiver are in the same room. Option B is that the medium used by the choice of the sender. Option C is that the message and its subtext are fully acknowledged and responded to. Option D is that the message is reaching the receiver through a verbal medium. Option number E is that the channel is of choice of the sender, and option number F is that the sender understands and sends the message through their comfortable channel. So the correct answer for question number 14 will be option number C, that is the message and its subtext are fully acknowledged and responded to. Okay. Question number 15 is which of the following is not an emotional barrier? Fear, apprehension, confidence, anxiety, low self-esteem, anger. So the answer will be confidence. Okay. Question number 16 is two siblings living under the same roof are now feeling distant from each other due to a barrier caused by technology. What is the right way to overcome the barrier? Options are post each other's pictures on Facebook, video call each other in the morning, talk to each other in person, send customized GIFs on WhatsApp, create a YouTube channel and email the link, gift an expensive video game to each other. So the answer will be talk to each other in person. Okay, for question number 16, talk to each other in person, that is mentioned in option number C, will be the correct answer. Question number 17 is when Afzal steps out of his house every morning, he sees his neighbor Naina watering her plants. Every morning, Afzal waves at Naina and smiles, and she reciprocates the same way. What does this interaction show? Option A is Afzal and Naina are people who have no better things to do in the morning. Option B is Afzal and Naina are envious neighbors. Option number C is Afzal and Naina are communicating non-verbally. Option number D is there is communication barrier between Afzal and Naina. Option number E is Afzal and Naina have poor communication skills. And option number F is there is a lack of any social connection between Afzal and Naina. So the correct answer for question number 17 will be Afzal and Naina are communicating non-verbally. Okay. For question number 17, option number C will be the correct answer. Question number 18 is a multi-branched company is trying to improve its employees' working conditions and eliminate organizational communication barriers. Which of the following will be a helpful step towards the same? Options are reducing the number of team meetings and group discussions. Option B is isolating departments and avoiding interdepartmental interaction. Option number C is distributing feedback forms among all the workers. Option number D is taking suggestions from the people in higher authority. And option number E is implementing a strict hierarchy that discourages upward communication. And option number F is ignoring the feedback of workers and making changes based solely on the company profits. So the correct answer for question number 18 will be option number C. Okay, that is distributing feedback forms among all the workers. Question number 19 is Salim is on his way to an important event. He gets very angry at his driver when he realizes they must take a longer way because his driver missed a turn. What is the correct way to behave in this situation? Option A is shout at the driver and demand that he take the right route immediately. Option number B is get off the vehicle and book a cab. Option number C is fire the driver and ask him to take driving lessons again. Option number D is calm down and politely suggest the driver to check his route. Option number E is say nothing and let the driver realize the mistake on his own. Option number F is be late to the event and publicly shame the driver for it. So the correct answer for question number 19 will be option number D. Okay, that is calm down and politely suggest the driver to check his route. Question number 20 is which of the following is a defensive gesture? Sitting cross-legged, leaning forward, smiling and nodding, maintaining open palms, waving hello, maintaining eye contact. So the correct answer for question number 20 will be option number A, that is sitting cross-legged. Okay. From question number 21 to 25, all are true or false. We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. Okay. So question number 21 is people generally exhibit a preference for being in a position of influence or leadership over others. Is this true or false? So given statement is true. Question number 22 is there is no relationship between effective communication and leadership. Is this true or false? So this is false one. Okay. Question number 23rd is according to Tony Robbins, only communicating well with others determines our happiness. Is this true or false? So this is false one. Okay. Moving to the second last question, a communication barrier can be caused by the senders and the receivers personalities. So is this true or false? So this statement is true. So question number 25 is negative emotions interfere more as barriers in communication than positive ones. So before telling you the answers of the last question, I am requesting you to please subscribe the channel and share the video with needy ones by liking it. Okay. So the the answer for last question will be option number A, that is true. Okay. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. So thanks for watching the video.